What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BMW M4 competition in Brooklyn Grey. Guys, this car, it comes in 4 different colors, but in today's video it will be the Brooklyn Grey. As you can see, they have the black sapphire, alpine white, skyscraper grey. This color is quite nice, skyscraper grey, but the Brooklyn Grey is fantastic, guys. Okay, so now let's start off by taking a walk around to show you guys the exterior appearance of this car before we jump right down to the details of how gorgeous this car looks in person. Now, let us first start off with the front lights that we see on this amazing beast. As you can see, these are the main headlights that you get. Now, excuse the front bonnet. I will pop up and show you the engine in a while more. But nevertheless, the DRLs are located right here and here. Later, we will turn on the lights to show it to you guys, but it looks absolutely beautiful. Love the blue lining that is on the lights as well. Very gorgeous. Now, for the bottom front bumper, you do have this opening right here for air to flow through. Amazing. I love how they have these black finishes at the bottom right here for the front skirting. And also, you do get this aggressive looking design where air flows through, of course, including your amazing kidney grille that is huge and very much aggressive looking as always. You got the BMW badging in the center, you got your 360 camera right here. Number plate goes right there. You got your M4 competition word right there. Amazing indeed. I love how they have these double lines and everything is in gloss black. So it's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. Now for the front hood, I love how they have this red graphics is what they call with the M badging right there. So it's very nice. But of course, I believe you can have it in different colors. But in this case, it's a red. The bonnet also is very aggressive designed in such a way. I like how it's having all those lines here and there, as you can see. I like how it's having this angle, sort of like deep angle over here. Makes it look very gorgeous indeed. And also it's deep in a way like this. Can you see what I mean? It's beautiful. Now, since we are already at the front, before we jump right to the wheels, let us open up this gorgeous hood. Before that, let's unlock it twice because earlier I opened it. Let's open it one more time again, just to show you guys how amazing the engine design actually looks like. Let's pop this up and take a look at this. Love the bars that are in this black finish. Amazing. M-Power, BMW M-Power. Love how compact and tightly fit this engine actually is. You got your windshield washer over there. You got the other stuff that are happening with your car over here. Now I believe this car sounds absolutely amazing. As always, BMW is beautiful. Pop this down. And let's take a look at the wheels, shall we? Now you get this beautiful blacked out gloss black wheels. I love that they're using Michelin tires. Tire size is 275/35 R19. You get your drill disc brakes at the back right there. You got your red calipers right here. So it is gorgeous looking indeed. Now at the side of the car, the fenders, you get your M4 competition word. I like how it's a matte finish right here and a gloss black finish right there. Amazing. At the bottom right here, you do get this gloss black side skirting. Beautiful indeed. Now for the side mirrors, you do have the blacked out version of your side mirrors together with your turn indicators located on the inside right there. You also get your blacked out side chrome, which is like in a blacked out chrome delete kind of a thing. It looks very well designed and blends in really well. 360 camera located right here as well. So your door handles right here. Before that, you do get a carbon fiber hood. Can you see what I mean? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Now let's pop this door open and take a look at the long door because it's a coupe, so it's a frameless frameless door as well, so your window doesn't have to have any frame around it when you wind it fully down. You do get your opening up of the doors right here. Harman Kardon speakers right there. You do have your speakers at the back here also as well. Very nice indeed. Now you do have your window adjustments up and down over here. Your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. And you do get these leather finishes all over the place. And this should be a hard plastic right here. Compartment storage right here. Cup or bottle, you can keep it right there. So you do get your side plates in this M4 plate right here. Amazing. Your interior, love the orange, man. Check this out, dude. Whew. Love it. This one has a light on the inside with your car started, perhaps you can see it. Love the M with the black stuff happening all over the place right here. Love the Alcantara suede finish over here with the leather finishes all over the place, man. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, you do get your leg extensions over here as well. Amazing. Electronic seats to move back and forth. Lumbar support adjustment together with your back over here so as well. So, amazing. Now, let's jump right in to the passenger side, and you'll be able to see your air vents right here for you to adjust. You do get this carbon fiber dashboard trimming, beautiful looking. You also get the bottom right here is your climate adjustments for you to on the screen, the display right here, and also your hazard lights, your air vent connections and whatnot. But nevertheless, let's close this message and go back to the main home. So you do have tons and tons of different stuff that you guys can actually look at, but nevertheless we will talk about this in the near future in terms of the BMW settings. But this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Your seat belts, let me just pull this, hang on, is in black, and also you get this blue and red lining at the side right here, so it is very nice. Yeah, very nice. Let's put that back. So this is me sitting comfortably without even moving to the back seats, because this car actually comes with 2 additional seats at the back. Now we will jump right at the back in a while more, but nevertheless you have your M badging right here at the gear. As you can see, you do get your other connectivities, other controls for you to control the main screen, and your start stop button, your handbrake if you wish to use it. You also have your driving modes that you can set up, and different settings that you can actually choose from this particular setting right here. So it's amazing indeed. Steering wheel looks fantastic, but let's jump right to the back seat. To head right to the back seat, you got to pull this, pull it forward, and of course, wait, the car is not really started just yet. Let's try and pull this forward to see whether it can actually go, and yes, it does. So, seats already moved forward, and let's jump right in to the back. Now, this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Cool. Okay, so now it's locked in. So this is me. Amazing space. Now let's pull this back slightly to the back, and it is a very comfortable car for you to carry someone. Headroom is fantastic. Love the fabric lining at the top. I got my elbow rest right here. I got some speakers right there. I got some minor compartment storage down here, very small one. But nevertheless, the seat feels comfortable. Seat belts are similar towards the front. I do get my air vents right here located. And yeah, very straightforward and simple. Love what the person is looking at, which is what I'm looking at. And yep, very cool. So to go forward back, push this forward. And amazing how the seat just goes forward in every angle possible. Now let's get right down, and let's push this back. And once the seat is all the way back, we shall just leave it as it is. Close the door back, and cool. So let's jump right down to the wheels of this car. So they are using Michelin tires once again. Love the gloss black that's happening right here. Love the M badging right there, and also the red calipers that are also there as well. Tire size, you also get it in, where are we? 285/30 R20. Amazing Michelin tires, amazing design, and also you get your drill disc brakes for the rear as well. Fantastic. Jump right to the back. Of course, you'll notice the Brooklyn Grey is amazing, especially when it hits the shade, including when it touches the light. You do get your gloss black rear spoiler. Love the red graphics that are on the car, is what they label it for. Number plate goes right there. You get your M4 competition wording right here. And I love these lights. Now I'll turn them on later to show it to you in a while more. But nevertheless, check out the rear diffuser. You got 2 exhausts here, 2 exhausts over there. I like how aggressive this car actually looks with the black finishing going against the grey. You see what I mean? Looks absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, man, dude. So, petrol cap right here. That's where you fill your fuel. You got your Harman Kardon speakers right there and there. Fantastic. Now let's jump right in to the driver's seat. Show you guys before that the doors. You do have your Harman Kardon speakers right here. You do have your opening up of the doors right here, unlock and lock. Memory seats, you got 2 memory seats. Your speaker is located right there. You got your 2 window adjustments for the left and right. Side mirror for folding and adjusting. Compartment storage down here. Cup holder goes right there. Boot opening is right here, and you also can close it from here as well. Hard plastic and everything else is leather. Superb. Down spot pedals are also in black, and the accelerator pedal is also in chrome, with some chrome lining at the brake pedals also as well, but that is blacked out fully. So you do get your seat adjustments right here electronically. You got your M4 badging right here, plate, which is fantastic. Now on the inside part of the car, you do have the carbon fiber finishing at the steering wheel, as you can see. Love how aggressive and sporty this car actually looks. I believe this car sounds amazing. We just got to give it a go. 2 cup holders right here, compartment storage down there, I believe for wireless charging. You got your USB-C. You also have your 12-volt socket charging right here as well. So fantastic indeed. Now let's also take a look at the red start stop button that we have right here as well. That's also very nice. And you do get your mirrors right here with the frame, so that's kind of cool. You do get your lighting for you to adjust. You got your SOS call button right here as well, and you do have these ones right here. Fantastic. Love the TDC marker in red. Head-up display over there. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Now the seat belts are located right at the back, right here. So it's kind of cool. Love how it looks. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful touch for a car like this. But before that, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Love the steering wheel, paddle shifters in carbon fiber. Oh, beautiful, man. Now let's turn on the lights to show you guys how they actually look. Before that, side mirrors. Look at the DRLs, guys. These are how gorgeous the cuts actually look. So it looks super, super aggressive, super sporty, and very, very nice indeed. Amazing layout. Jump to the back. Once again, I love the lines that you're seeing right here. See what I mean? It's connecting up to here, but unfortunately right now the car is not fully started yet. But yeah, it's BMW laser lights. I love the lines, man. Looks absolutely aggressive. Very, very stunning indeed. Now let's turn on the turn indicators to show you guys how does the hazard light actually look like. Start off with the side mirrors. You'll notice this right here. Love it. You also get the turn indicators replacing the DRLs that were turned on just earlier. So it does look absolutely gorgeous indeed. Now let's turn them off. Close that back. Take a look from the front once again with the DRLs turned on. It does look absolutely aggressive. Beautiful car, guys. Before we end this video, take a look once again. Brooklyn grey with the orange interior, like that, very bright finish. Looks absolutely beautiful. Carbon fiber hood, sorry, carbon fiber roof. Get what I mean? See when the light hits the car? Absolutely beautiful. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to Millennium Wealth at Kyal North, where you are able to locate this car, that car, and many more other cars here on display. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.